Welcome to Collaborator Summit. Like over here? Mais atrás? Like this? Okay, otherwise probably too loud for the people in the stream. My name is Claudio. Some of you might know me, others not, so it's nice to meet you for everyone that doesn't know me. I'm very excited for this Collaborator Summit, besides of some things that happened yesterday with me. Who knows. I just wanted to give an initial remarks before we start the Collaborator Summit. So, first I wanted to remind you all that we have a code of conduct. And even though if we're going to have, some very cool discussions over here, we ask everyone to, not make it too heated, and to keep it friendly and respectful. The summit follows Linux Foundation Events Code of Conduct. And since this is also a Node.js event, also the Node.js, Code of Conduct. If by any means you feel that something is happening that you want to report, you can also send an email to report@nodejs.org. I want to thank you first, a big thanks for the staff of the OpenJS Foundation for making this summit happen and for the immense support to its members. Thank you. Then, of course, for the Linux Foundation events team for hosting us. And of course, very important and endless thank you for all the Node.js collaborators. Without you all, Node.js would not actually be a thing. And of course, also to the other Node.js community, the OpenJS community, the OpenJS members, for all the interest, support to the JavaScript ecosystem. So the summit has a very simple format. Most of the talks, they will start over here, where the champions of the session will probably present some slides if they have, or just talk about something, and then they will have an open discussion format if they want. And then for the people that are interested in actually collaborating on the topic, there is another room, which is room 5D, and that's where the second part of each session usually takes place for the diehards that really want to solve things and collaborate together about the topic of those sessions. The agenda is available, also on this link, but also in many other places. As mentioned before, like you might have received an email. There's also, it's pinned on the OpenJS Slack. And pretty much that's it about the agenda. Important to mention that we have a Slack channel called Collab Summit on the OpenJS Slack for people that want to communicate it there. Also important to mention that for the first part of each sessions that are happening here, it's only streaming, so people online cannot really interact back. But if you want to have Slack open and read comments, feel free to. And for the second parts that happen in the collaborator rooms, you're more than free to have Google Meet, Hangouts, Zoom, whatever, to interact with people attending online and have them collaborate, remotely. That's pretty much what I wanted to say for initial remarks. I'm very happy to have all of people here, and I really hope that y'all enjoy this Collaborator Summit. Happy coding and happy everything, I guess. Yeah, that's it.